Etsako Central APC House of Assembly aspirant, woman leader, youth leader, former councillor and others defect to PDP. Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, don tok say the fight wey he fight for the parliament na to save the soul of Edo State and to fight godfatherism comot for the state. He tok this one when he received the people wey defect from APC to join PDP on Tuesday for Government House, Benin City.
On behalf of the governor, the chairman, Tony Azegbeni, and all of us to not only to welcome you to Government House this morning, but also welcome you to PDP. I'm so happy we are reuniting because we already know ourselves and we know our capacity and we know what we stood for. We stood for change, but unfortunately, because we were all interested in changing the system, having a system that worked for all of us, we did not really check these characters. But we just saw their popularity as a tool that we can use to go into government and make a difference. Not knowing that they have their own agenda, but we were genuine in our own heart. And when we got there, we discovered that what we met in government, we were not expecting it. We got there and saw that government is just by 2 or 3, 4 persons. And they come, they share the money, and everybody goes. People were lords. And we came together and said, we must change this thing. We came for change. And this change, the only way we can achieve it is to say no to godfatherism. If we don't remove these godfathers, we cannot make that change. And that was how all of us started the fight, to fight against godfather. You know, some of us were injured, some of us will have been killed. I spilled my blood on the floor of the parliament. I passed out on the floor of the parliament. That was the fight for the souls of Edo. The soul of Edo was at stake at that time.
Chief Lucky James, wey come formally introduce them to the deputy governor, come talk say the many wayo, corner and GBT wey dey All Progressive Congress na im make them come join body with PDP to promote the Edo State government mega agenda and the 2023 election wey dey come.
They want to join you to push forward the mega projects, of which you are the number 2 man majority in the state. That from their own assessment, they cannot be there quickly thwarting your efforts. Instead, let them join you to make it faster, make it more effective, and contribute their own side of it. That they are continuous remaining there in the face of other that the devil that magnified by injustice, failure of promises, and just lukewarm attitude to the welfare of the people. They try to come and say, yes, tell another one. And they tell you, you don't go execute, and then God confess. They have seen, they've heard, and they have seen. And so they come this morning to formally tell you that they want to join you. About 176 of such leaders were here to perform the duties of one, formally joining you in struggle, and to also inform you that you need to come up there and embrace the many others who will not be able to, due to logistic problem, to be here. These ones are in that category. Like you hear them, each of them, by the nature of their office, where they are leaders. Actually, it is true of the local government youth leader of Etsako Central. On the women's side is the local government, veteran local government woman leader. If there was any practical injustice, I witnessed among many was the one done to the man there from Owan West, Luganda Rupe. I almost shed tears for him when I saw people shifting the goalposts or to favor themselves in the APC where I was at. All those of them that did not leave to join the mega project, then should return automatically as chairman. When they got to the turn of Lugard, they shifted the goalposts and Lugard cannot go. that he was not loyal, not to the party, to one person. I said, well, God will judge. I'm saying him here to say that after viewing the whole thing and weighing the options, he said to come and formally tell you that he cannot be stagnated. Instead, he is even rejuvenated.
Chief Gladys Momo wey be the former local government woman leader for Etsako Central and Samson Swako wey be the youth leader come still chook mouth on top the reason why dem decamp.
Football has a thing. If you have a good player, you can rent it out to other clubs. But when the time expires, you take your player back.
So this decision I took came from my heart, from my mind. I've witnessed injustice, negligence, fulfilled promises in the APC, which has made me taking this bold step. Nobody pushed me to take this step. I took it because it's from my mind. So all I just want from PDP, the power that is ruling this state, is that as far as Etsako Central is concerned, consider APC dead. All my youths, I'm pulling them over with your backup, with this, some youth stakeholders in the party that's PDP, and my power, I believe we deliver Etsako Central.
This is the party PDP where I became the councillor. So I'm happy to be back home. All of us knew the fight before us. To be loyal to one particular leader as the party chairman of the government, APC. I don't know why one should be punished because of loyalty. Prof said because I'm loyal to a leader, I cannot be chairman. My leader is a witness to it. I was removed as chairman. I cannot retire from politics at this my tender age. I'm still very young. Because of hatred. That is why I sat down, consulted my people. We move it through.
The people wey defect from APC come PDP, local government woman leader Chief Gladys Momo, local government youth leader Etsako Central, Samson Swako, former councillor representing Ogbonna Ward 4, Honorable Prince Roger Kadiri Okozi and others. Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC na your power, no go sell your vote for any politician or political party.